Hi viewers, I am Raji Ramakrishnan. Today I am going to make Garam Masala Powder at home. For that I have taken 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon Shahi Jeera, 2 Jaiphal, full Jaiphal, and half nutmeg I have crushed and kept it in this. Now around 3 red chilli. Since we are using red chilli powder in the recipe, here I have taken less red chilli powder only for the color. Then around 5-inch stick cinnamon, 1 star anise, around 10 bay leaves medium size. Then 10 black elaichi, 1 tablespoon of green cardamom, 2 and a half tablespoon of dry ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of cloves. Now I am going to dry roast all these ingredients except the dry ginger powder. Just to remove the moisture from it, we have to roast it. Otherwise, 3-4 days you can sun dry the same and powder it. Now this is done. Now I will put the coriander seeds, black pepper, fennel, Shahi Jeera, and nutmeg and Jaiphal in it, cloves, cardamoms, star anise, you can add salt also in this if you want. I am not going to add salt in this. Now the dalchini and red chilli. Allow them to cool and grind to a fine powder. While grinding, add the dry ginger powder. Now this is done. This is crisp. The elaichi has become crisp now. All these things are crisp. Now I will remove this also. Now the tej patta. Our garam masala powder. After grinding the masala, allow them to cool. Then you put it in an airtight container and keep it in the fridge or outside as you wish. Our homemade garam masala powder is ready here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Also visit the blog rasavinsuvai.blogspot.in. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.